Okay, this is the roof of my house. There's that helicopter. And as I have discovered, by somebody who's very much in the know, it's an unmanned drone. That is an unmanned drone from DHS. That's not a regular helicopter. It's unmanned. There's nobody piloting it. Yeah. Now he's just hovering over there. You see that? He's just hovering. Like, what is that over there? Huron Street? Like, way over there by the power lines and stuff?
Yeah. Es un helicóptero. Ahí viene. Mira.
That is... This is the 5th time this guy's been around in the last week. In 7 days, he's been here 5 times.
5 times?
Yeah.
I never seen him.
He was over top the freeway. Then he was over there by the DMV. And then the other night, he was over here by this hotel, like at 5:30 in the morning. And now, he's over top of Kingston. This is the government. This is the U.S. government. What are they looking? It's an unmanned helicopter. They're flying it like remote control. What are they looking for on Kingston Street? What's over there? Old people. Old retirees live on Kingston Street. What are they doing?
Daddy, we're going. Find out people.
They are, and it's unmanned and is being operated by like a joystick. Hovering over the street immediately behind us. Now it's coming back over here. It's the United States government. That's one of those unmanned drone helicopters. They're operating with a joystick like a video game. They're surveilling us. It's the Department of Homeland Security.